The sun is shining. The birds are singing. You step outside and feel the warm air on your skin. What's the first thing you say to someone you meet?
Beautiful day, isn't it? That's what everyone says when the weather is nice.
Exactly! And if it's raining? Terrible weather today, huh? Weather is the most common topic in the world. Everyone talks about it, every single day.
It's true. In the morning, you talk about the weather. At work, you talk about the weather. Even when you meet a stranger, you talk about the weather.
And that's why today's episode is so important. Welcome back to Daily English Listening, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence in real life. I'm your host, Emma.
And I'm Liam. Hello, everyone. We are so excited you're here with us today.
Today, we are talking about the weather. Yes, that simple topic that everyone, everywhere talks about every single day.
But here's the thing. Even though it's simple, many English learners don't know the right words to say. They don't know how to start a conversation about the weather.
By the end of this episode, you will know how to talk about any kind of weather. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, windy, hot, cold, warm, cool. You'll know it all.
And you'll be able to start conversations naturally because weather is the perfect conversation starter.
Before we start, we have a small favor to ask our amazing listeners.
Yes, if you're enjoying this podcast, please hit that subscribe button for Daily English Listening.
And give this episode a thumbs up. It helps us reach more learners just like you.
And share this with a friend who's learning English. You can talk about the weather together.
Perfect. Okay, Liam, let's start with the basics. What's the weather like today?
Let me look outside. Actually, Emma, it's a beautiful sunny day. The sky is blue. There are a few clouds, but mostly sunny.
Perfect. So let's learn how to describe sunny weather.
First, the simplest phrase, it's sunny. Repeat after me. It's sunny.
It's sunny.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
Not a cloud in the sky.
Not a cloud in the sky.
That means the sky is completely clear. No clouds.
Now, what about when it's too hot? When the sun is so strong you feel like melting.
Oh, that's my least favorite weather. You can say it's boiling.
Repeat, it's boiling.
It's scorching hot.
Repeat, it's scorching hot.
I'm sweating like crazy.
That's a very common phrase. Repeat, I'm sweating like crazy.
Let's practice describing sunny days. Emma, describe a perfect sunny day.
Okay, it's a beautiful sunny day. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. It's warm, but not too hot. Perfect weather for a walk in the park.
That sounds lovely. Now let's move to rainy weather.
Rain. Some people love it. Some people hate it. But everyone talks about it.
Let's learn the words. First, it's raining. Repeat, it's raining.
It's raining.
It's rainy.
It's rainy.
If the rain is very heavy, you can say it's pouring.
Repeat, it's pouring.
Or it's raining cats and dogs.
That's a fun phrase. It means raining very heavily. Repeat, it's raining cats and dogs.
If the rain is light, you can say it's drizzling.
Repeat, it's drizzling.
Now let's practice. Liam, describe a rainy day. Okay, it's raining outside. Actually, it's pouring. I can hear the rain on the roof. I don't want to go out. I just want to stay inside with a warm cup of tea.
That sounds cozy. Now let's talk about cloudy weather.
Cloudy days, not sunny, not rainy, just gray.
Let's learn the words. First, it's cloudy. Repeat, it's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
It's overcast.
Repeat, it's overcast.
That means the sky is completely covered with clouds. No sun at all.
The sky is gray.
Repeat, the sky is gray.
There's no sun today.
Repeat, there's no sun today.
Now let's talk about windy weather.
Wind. It can be nice on a hot day, or it can be annoying.
Let's learn the words. First, it's windy. Repeat, it's windy.
It's windy.
The wind is strong.
Repeat, the wind is strong.
It's very breezy.
Repeat, it's very breezy.
Breezy means a light, pleasant wind, not too strong.
Now let's talk about cold weather.
Oh, I'm not a fan of cold weather, but we still need to talk about it.
Let's learn the words. First, it's cold. Repeat. It's cold.
It's cold and
It's freezing.
repeat, it's freezing.
That means very, very cold.
I'm freezing.
Repeat. I'm freezing.
It's chilly.
Repeat. It's chilly.
Chilly means a little cold. Not freezing, but not warm either.
Now let's talk about snow. Who doesn't love snow?
I love snow. Let's learn the words. First, it's snowing. Repeat, it's snowing.
It's snowing.
It's snowy.
It's snowy.
There's snow on the ground.
Repeat. There's snow on the ground.
Let's practice describing a snowy day. Emma, you go first.
Okay. It's snowing outside. Everything is white. The snow is falling softly. It's beautiful, but it's freezing. I need to wear my warm coat and boots.
That sounds magical. Now let's learn how to talk about temperature.
Temperature is important too. Let's learn the words for different temperatures.
First, it's hot. Repeat, it's hot.
It's hot.
It's warm.
It's warm.
It's cool.
It's cool.
It's cold.
It's cold.
And if you want to be exact, you can use numbers. It's 25 degrees or it's 10 degrees.
In the US, they use Fahrenheit. In most other countries, they use Celsius. Both are common.
Now let me tell you a mini story. This is about my friend Yuki.
Oh, I love Yuki stories. What happened?
Yuki moved to London from Japan. She spoke English well, but she didn't know how to talk about the weather in English.
And in London, it rains a lot. So she had to talk about weather all the time.
Exactly. One day a coworker said to her, "Lovely weather, isn't it?" But it was raining. Yuki didn't know what to say.
Oh no! What did she do?
She just smiled and said, "Yes," very confused. The coworker laughed and said, "I was joking. It's terrible weather."
That's British humor. They make jokes about the weather.
So Yuki came to me and said, "I need to learn how to talk about the weather in English." So I taught her the basics.
And what happened next?
The next week it was raining again. Her coworker said, "Beautiful weather we're having." And Yuki said, "Oh, you're joking. It's pouring. I'm soaking wet."
That's perfect.
Her coworker laughed and said, "You got it." And they became friends.
That's the power of learning simple phrases. It helps you connect with people.
So listeners, remember Yuki. The weather is not just a topic. It's a way to make friends.
Now, let's learn some questions about the weather. These are questions people ask all the time.
The most common question, what's the weather like today?
Repeat. What's the weather like today?
Another one, how's the weather outside?
Repeat. How's the weather outside?
Or simply, is it cold out?
Repeat. Is it cold out?
Now let's practice answering these questions. Emma, I'll ask, and you answer. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk.
How's the weather outside and
It's cloudy. I think it's going to rain.
is it cold out?
Yes, it's freezing. Wear a warm coat.
Perfect. Now let's learn how to talk about the forecast. The forecast means what the weather will be in the future. Repeat, the forecast. The forecast.
You can say, the forecast says it will rain tomorrow.
Repeat, the forecast says it will rain tomorrow.
Or, they're predicting snow this weekend.
Repeat, they're predicting snow this weekend.
Let's put everything together in a full conversation. Liam, let's pretend we're at work, and I'm your coworker.
Okay, let's do it.
Morning, Liam. How's the weather outside?
Morning, Emma. It's raining pretty hard. I got soaked walking here.
Oh no. Is it cold too?
A little chilly, but they say it'll clear up by the afternoon.
That's good. I hate driving in the rain.
Me too. Did you see the forecast for the weekend?
Yes. They're predicting sunshine. Finally.
Perfect. I'm going to the beach if it's sunny.
Sounds amazing. Enjoy your day.
You too.
See how natural that was? We talked about the weather, the temperature, and even the forecast.
And it felt like a real conversation. That's how people talk about weather every day.
Now, here's a try this at home challenge for our listeners.
Yes, this week we want you to practice talking about the weather.
First, look outside. What's the weather like? Say it in English. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining.
Next, check the forecast for tomorrow. What will the weather be? Say, tomorrow will be sunny, or they're predicting rain.
Then, practice starting a conversation. Imagine you meet someone. Say, beautiful day, isn't it? Or, can you believe this weather?
Finally, if you can, talk about the weather with a friend in English. Ask them, what's the weather like where you are?
And remember Yuki. A simple conversation about weather can lead to a new friendship.
Now let's review all the key words and phrases from today.
Sunny weather. It's sunny. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Not a cloud in the sky. It's boiling. It's scorching hot.
Rainy weather. It's raining. It's rainy. It's pouring. It's raining cats and dogs, and it's drizzling.
Cloudy weather. It's cloudy. It's overcast. The sky is gray. There's no sun today.
Windy weather. It's windy. The wind is strong. It's breezy.
Cold weather. It's cold. It's freezing. I'm freezing. It's chilly.
Snowy weather. It's snowing. It's snowy. There's snow on the ground.
Questions. What's the weather like today? How's the weather outside? Is it cold out?
Forecast. The forecast says they're predicting.
What a fantastic list. Now you can talk about any kind of weather.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
In the comments below, tell us, what's the weather like where you are today?
You can write, today it's degrees. I feel.
We would love to read about the weather all around the world, from sunny beaches to snowy mountains.
That's so fun. We can imagine the weather everywhere.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Listening for more practical episodes.
Hit that like button if you're ready to talk about the weather in English.
Share this episode with a friend. Ask them, what's the weather like where you are?
Thank you so much for listening today. You're doing amazing work.
Keep practicing. Keep looking at the sky. And remember, the weather is always a great conversation starter.
You've got this. We believe in you.
Have a wonderful day wherever you are.
Bye for now.
See you next time.